Unboxings are back for 2025, and today we are unboxing the Lilly Pulitzer 2025 Dated Planner. Now, if you've never heard of her, either have I until I moved here to Florida. So Camila and I were shopping at the mall, and I was looking for stuff that wasn't black, white, and gray, which is kind of my go-to colors. And we happened upon this store. I know this is the bag, but the bag was so pretty. I think maybe it's too bright with the lights, but yeah. So to celebrate my Lilly Pulitzer dress, we will change our color to green. I don't even know if it makes a difference, but, and again, I'm trying this new thing where I'm going to try to be on camera while I'm doing an unboxing. So the Lilly Pulitzer Planner was $29, and it came like the very next day from Amazon, wrapped in plastic in standard Amazon packaging, so nothing extra there. And look at that, we have a nice little elastic band to go around it. And this looks like a sticker, like a really, yeah, it's meant to stay there. I think it comes off. There we go. One sheet of sticker. Oh, it's just advertising what's inside. We'll just leave it there. So this did come in a different color, but I felt like this more matched my shirt that I'm wearing. So anyways, let's go ahead and open it up. So in here we have if this agenda travels, please return to, so you can put your name and all of your information. Style isn't just about what you wear, it's about how you live. In 1959-ish, Lilly Pulitzer, yeah, this is like an old one. I told you it was like from the Kennedys are what made her, like put her on the map for being famous. So, oh, look at that. There's stickers. Very cute, very colorful, very much in the Lilly Pulitzer style. We have this file folder here in the front and the back. I keep looking at myself instead of the camera. So sorry about that. Goals for 2025. You can put them here. I like that. There's not a lot of room. You shouldn't go crazy on your goals. We have the whole year over here at a glance. That is last year. And then we have this year and we have the next year. Always great for planning. And then dates to celebrate. So we have the whole year on a 2-page spread over here. We have your escape plan. So any travel that you're doing, you can plan over here. Oh, I guess it wants you to travel a lot. So we have a lot of pages for planning. I do love this, the tabs over here on the right, so they don't stick out. They're kind of indented and they're very minimalist. All right, names and addresses. Haven't seen that in a while, but I can see how that could come in handy. We have notes. Although could it come in handy? I feel like most people use cell phones. I don't even know the last time I dialed a landline, but we have a lot of pages here for notes. Then we have our January section. So it looks like we have January through April down here. And then it starts over with May through December over here. So heading back to January, we have a 2-page spread, just this little thing that says, let's go bananas. And then we have what I love, which is a Sunday start. If it had a Monday start, I think I would have been really sad about that. It's very minimalist, so anything you write in here or put in here will stand out more. There has a little page over here on the right for to do. And then we have a standard, just what I call, I don't know that I want to say boring, but it's just horizontal lines. And pretty much anyone who doesn't really get into planner design, that's like pretty standard across the board. Coach does that. Prada does that with any of their agendas because they're not really planner people. They're just giving you something that has like a wrapper on it, which makes sense for a fashion store. So it looks like everything is purple. Let's just check out February. Okay, so we get a new thing that says Viva Amor and a new little design over here. This looks like it is, so the tab is blue, and over here the tab was pink, so everything's pink. And I bet if we head over to March, yep, the tab is green, so everything's green, and then pink. So we just have those colors that kind of repeat over and over. So this is very much just a rinse and repeat, and it looks like the designs over here on the top right are a little different. So we have, this all goes with the green, make it like, kind of matches the dress that I got. So March, obviously, I think obviously for Irish and leprechauns, it's green. And so the design over here on the top changed, and the little things on the bottom changed too to kind of match. So if we head over to April, we can see that that is pink, and the design over here matches there. And same thing with March. Let's see if the March design is the same one as the January one because they're both pink. Nope, there's something different. So each month has like its own little design in terms of the 2-page layout and also the design you get over here on the top right, which matches that 2-page layout. So let's just look at July, and then the July pages match, and then over here for August, and then the August pages match at the top and the bottom. And we're back to green. So we have September, and we have a matchy match, and then we're back to pink. And we have a new design over here. We're back to blue. And then we have a new design over here and at the bottom. And December, well, this is funny. They didn't go back to green or to that other blue. So, and then they went to that pink again. So we have December, have a new design, and that is pretty much it. That's a wrap on this planner. So it's a very bare bones kind of standard planner. It has pretty designs that match basically the clothes that you see there and the colors that they have. So I do love that. And it has this belly band, which is very cute. And of course the stickers were a nice surprise as well. So that's a wrap on the Lilly Pulitzer Planner. And remember, if you would like to create and sell your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below.